Yo, welcome everyone. Bitcoin is pushing even higher and people are still buying very heavily. Be very careful right now and get ready for the next move. Let me show you. Now, first you're going to notice Bitcoin yesterday got another push towards the upside, another liquidity grab or a swing failure pattern exactly above the recent high. And right now it really does look like liquidity grabs or simply swing failure patterns are one of the best setups we could be trading. Already right here at this specific area, we were paying attention to the weekly high-term time frame area of resistance. The level was hit, I'm not even joking, almost to the exact dollar accuracy. We took out our recent high and Bitcoin got a push towards downside. And also right now, pretty much the exact same setup. Bitcoin once again hit the weekly, we took the liquidity above the recent high, and for the past few hours, we are clearly getting some kind of a rejection back down of, let's just say, approximately 2.35%. And as we usually say, if we are pushing higher, if Bitcoin is trading at a major area of resistance, usually we want to fire another short or a sell position. But what you're right now going to see, paying attention to the order flow to see exactly what other people have been doing in the market, major push towards the upside on the CVD indicator. And what does it mean? A lot of buying pressure is coming right now in the market, and also right here, the open interest is getting a push towards the upside. So what does it mean? The open interest is measuring if money is coming or leaving the market. The CVD indicator is telling to us if bullish or buying pressure is coming in. And of course, combining both of those data right here, it simply means people are longing Bitcoin exactly at the area where we are as of right now. In my opinion, definitely not really the smartest move. I'm not saying we cannot continue higher. I still do remain in approximately 10% of my long position on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum. But to be honest, where we are right now, no way I would actually fire another long or a buying trade. And of course, because of that right now, we are actually even getting some kind of the bearish absorption. Higher high on the CVD indicator, lower high on Bitcoin. And this right now means people are buying, but at least at the moment, they are not able to push the price even higher back towards the upside. And that is why later in the video, I still want to share with you what, in my opinion, the best and ideal scenario on Bitcoin right now is going to look like. But pay right now attention to the Bitcoin liquidation heat map on the 3-day time frame. This chart right here is right now telling to us that potentially we could still be expecting another rotation back up, even though, yes, right now we are getting some bearish absorption on the CVD indicator because the biggest liquidations are going to come in exactly above the recent high at approximately, let's just say, $73,200. Not only on the 3-day time frame, we can zoom out slightly more, let's just say on the 1-week time frame, where the story is going to be a very similar one. The biggest liquidations on Bitcoin are not going to be below the recent lows, but actually exactly above the recent high that was confirmed already only a few hours ago. This area, 177 million of short positions are going to get completely liquidated if Bitcoin right now is going to get another rotation back towards the upside. That is why, despite us getting a major red flag, and of course also this specific bearish absorption, bearish Bitcoin indication, I would actually say, ideally, first of all, we are looking for Bitcoin to get another push up, wrecked even more people from their short positions, and only then do get some kind of a long squeeze, getting a major push down to wreck literally almost everyone in this cryptocurrency market. That is right why I would really appreciate if you can smash up the like button, because 600 likes right here are definitely possible. And of course also, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Right now, let me share with you why, if Bitcoin does right now get another push up, we should really be extremely careful. We are going to go on the daily time frame because I want to talk about a major trend line area of resistance. You probably know that we have been talking about this exact level right now for a very long time. And of course, we are connecting the all-time high with the lower high. If Bitcoin in the upcoming hours, ideally of course today, hits our trendline area of resistance, it is going to be the first test of the major level. And usually on the first test, the level is the strongest one. And that is why if we right to go higher, this area of approximately $73,300 is actually going to be a very important one. And what we can right to say, if we get right here another push towards the upside, Bitcoin liquidates even more people from their short positions. Simply what you need to be paying attention to, it is a liquidity grab or a swing failure pattern above the recent high. Exactly what we have been getting right here for the past few days. So again, you could be paying attention to another push up for Bitcoin to go above the high. And you can now see that for the past few days, we took the high right here, we grabbed the liquidity, we got a rejection back down. Also right here, already only a few hours ago, took the previous high, got a rejection back down. And also right now, pretty much the exact same story potentially could happen. Bitcoin gets another push up, wrecks even more people from their short positions, we hit our major trendline area of resistance, and then simply gets another liquidity grab or a swing failure pattern above the recent high. In my opinion, if something like this is going to happen, getting a push up and start going below our recent high once again, closing the candles below the level right here, bearish indication, we actually could potentially enter another short or a sell position on the Bitcoin price itself. Now, of course, if there is going to be no reaction above the recent high, you should, in my opinion, not really enter a short trade. But why so? Simply because another area of resistance on Bitcoin, it is going to be slightly higher. What does it mean? We go right now, for example, on the 4-hour time frame, and we are going to apply our high-term time frame areas on the chart. And you can now see the next daily high-term time frame level on Bitcoin is going to be quite high at approximately $75,000. So you should really pay attention to what reaction, or maybe if there is going to be no reaction at all at this area at 74K. If there is no reaction right here, personally, I'm looking for even higher targets, and the next high-term time frame level is simply right here going to be the daily level at $75,000. There is actually also another level you could be paying attention to in a case Bitcoin right here does get a push up. We go with our Fibonacci retracement from the high right here back towards the low, and we are going to go only with one important level, which is going to be the 0.786, and this level is actually going to come in slightly higher above the recent high. So that is why I am telling to you, if Bitcoin right here does get a push towards the upside, maybe even hits our 0.76, start closing the candle below our recent high, liquidates a lot of short trades from the entire crypto market, this right here could potentially give us a beautiful short entry, stop loss above the recent high. Let's see if potentially right here we are going to be able to get some kind of a rotation back towards upside. Also right now, why ideally right here where we are, I'm looking for quite a significant push down. Look right now at our Oscillator stochastic CG oscillator on the daily time frame. I have been talking about this indicator for a very long time right now, for the past few days, but the thing is, we are right now definitely being in the overbought area, and also we are kind of flat. Last time we were doing this exact thing, Bitcoin was trading right here at approximately $116,000. The indicator went flat, Bitcoin got a push towards the upside, but what followed was a major collapse back down to, let's just say, approximately $80,000. Also right here, we were flat for a few days. Bitcoin after that got quite a significant push towards downside, and that is why I'm right now telling to you, looking for a buy position as majority of people are doing at the moment, in my opinion, is not the smartest idea. We were looking to enter a long position on Ethereum and also on Bitcoin at the area of support at approximately 65,500. But why the heck would I right now enter a long trade after such a big push towards the upside directly at the area of resistance? At the area of resistance, at such an important key level, the only trade I'm personally right now looking at, it is going to be a brand new short or sell trade. And that is right now why, if you want to trade with us, we do have a brand new campaign on Bitfinex. You can actually get up to $20,000 bonus without KYC and without VPN with the second link down below. Click the link right here, and after you're going to register and after initial deposit, you're already going to get a beautiful bonus and potentially even win a brand new iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro Max. So for example, you register, you deposit 1,000, you get 100 USDT completely for free. Also, the more you're going to trade, the bigger rewards you're going to get. For example, you trade 50 million, you get 4,000 USDT in future bonus completely for free, but also there is a trading competition. The more you're going to trade, the bigger rewards you're going to get, and the better you're going to trade, the more profit you're going to get, the bigger reward you're going to get using the second link down below after you register and after initial deposit without KYC and without VPN. Now, also, how is a bearish scenario on Bitcoin right now going to look like? Because the reality is, what if our bearish divergence, the bearish absorption right here, is already going to play out and Bitcoin already right here does get another push down? What is the first level you should, in my opinion, definitely pay very close attention to? Let's actually go on the daily time frame, because right here we did confirm another brand new daily high term time frame support level already a few hours ago. This level is going to come in at approximately 71,050 US dollars. Let me actually put the level in the folder right here, but also zooming in on the 30-minute time frame and measuring the entire price action that has been forming for the past few days, you're going to notice the value area low is going to come in almost exactly at our daily. So I would actually say like that. Ideally, first of all, I am looking for another rotation back towards the upside, unless our support level right here is going to get broken. Losing such an important support level is going to be, in my opinion, a major red flag. But at least as of right now, support is still support. We could still potentially right here get another push down, hitting the support level, and only then do get a rotation back up. Currently, Bitcoin, it is actually hitting the golden Fibonacci ratio when we are right measuring this push towards the upside. But I would actually say the bigger support level, because of more confluence, it is going to be slightly lower, the value area low and the daily. And then, of course, we are going to see if Bitcoin potentially can get another rotation back up, liquidate even more people from their short positions, and only then potentially do get right here a major rejection back towards upside. Also right now, if we do pay attention to our exponential moving averages on the 1 hourly time frame, as you probably know, we are still right now trading in a very nice uptrend. On the 2 hourly, we are also in an uptrend. On the 4 hourly time frame, yes, we also got right here a confirmed bullish cross. And as we said also in our yesterday's video, last time we got a bullish cross right here, sure, Bitcoin got another push towards the upside, but after that, another major push down. Literally, this exact thing happened not only right here, but also in our previous example, already back in January 2026. We got a bullish cross, Bitcoin literally topped out right here, we got a rejection back down. So if you look like that on the bullish cross on the 4 hourly time frame, we should, technically speaking, looking at the historical price data, be slightly more careful. Ideally right now, we get another push up, we hit our trend line area of resistance, and then simply pay attention to the reaction, what we are going to get above the recent high. If there is going to be a confirmed swing failure pattern or a liquidity grab, potential short position, easy invalidation level above the recent high, let's see if Bitcoin in this scenario then is going to get a push down. If there is no reaction, again, we are looking for higher, and in this scenario, all of our long trades on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum are going to be in an even bigger profit. And that is right why, if you want to trade with us, take advantage of the free 20,000 US dollar bonus without KYC and without VPN with the second link down below in the description, because right now Bitunics, we are having a brand new campaign. You register, you deposit, you're going to get a beautiful free bonus. The more you're going to trade, the bigger rewards you're going to get, but also if you're going to trade well, you're going to get even bigger rewards using the second link down below in the description. But also right now, thank you for smashing up the like button.